In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror an image using Canva, a user-friendly design tool that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned graphic designers. Whether you're working on a social media graphic, a presentation slide, or just experimenting with image manipulation, Canva's suite of tools makes the process simple and intuitive. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and navigate to your project. You can easily do this by selecting the relevant design from your dashboard. It's in this project that you'll be able to make any necessary changes to your images. If you're just starting a new project or uploading a specific image for this exercise, the steps are pretty straightforward. Once you've located your Canva project, open it and you're ready to get started. Next, you need to select the image you want to mirror. This could be any image you've uploaded or one that you've added from Canva's extensive library of stock photos. Simply click on the image within your project to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border with handles around the edges, allowing you to resize or rotate. With the image selected, look for the Flip option in the toolbar above your design canvas. This is where all the magic happens. When you click on Flip, a small menu will appear with a couple of options. You'll see Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. And for this tutorial, we're going to choose Flip Horizontal. By clicking this option, your image will automatically mirror itself, creating that perfect flipped effect. This is a great tool for creating symmetrical designs or simply achieving a new perspective on an image you're working with. And that's it, you're done. Your image is now mirrored horizontally within your Canva project. This simple action can add a lot of versatility to your designs, giving you the freedom to experiment with different looks and layouts. Whether you're preparing marketing materials, personal projects, or just exploring creative avenues, mirroring images can be both a fun and functional tool in your design toolkit. If you ever need to rotate it back, just follow the same steps and hit the Flip Horizontal option again to return to the original orientation. It's that easy. Feel free to take some time to explore Canva's other features and see how they can enhance your design projects. With familiarity comes creativity, and who knows what amazing designs you'll come up with when you explore all the possibilities that Canva offers. And there you have it, a simple, quick way to mirror an image using Canva. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more tutorials for additional tips and tricks on using Canva effectively. Happy designing!